So I've had this comment on one of my recent videos. I've had a number of comments like this as well, but annoyingly I couldn't find them to add them in, but it's been quite a consistent comment saying that you can turn left at the roundabout to go to Basildon. However, what you can see here from the signage is that Basildon is left and there's a slip road. Billericay straight on, and then there's a little bit more detail on this sign. But then we look at the road markings. Lane 2 and 3 says Billericay. Lane 1 here, Basildon, and this is the slip road. Lane 1 per se. Lane 2 then says Billericay, and then lane 3 says Noak Bridge. So let's have a look again in slow motion for those who could not see it in real time and read the road. So we're at half speed now, and you can see the first sign here. It clearly states Basildon to the left, Billericay straight on. Then we have this second sign just giving a bit more information, so Langdon North and so on, and then Noak Hill to the right. And then we get to the split here. And I'm going to slow it down even more for this bit, where you can see on the right hand side, Billcay, Billericay. In this lane here, Bdon, Basildon. Back up to half speed again until the next one, where again on the right hand side, Billcay, and then further over it's for Noak Bridge, or Noak Hill, I can't even remember which one. So do not use that left lane of the roundabout to turn left to Basildon. It is incorrect. Here you can see it's clear as day on Google Maps. It's incredibly clear which lane you need to be in. So please, can those who use this roundabout incorrectly, please adapt your driving. Turn left via the slip road, because those who do it right will not be able to see you if you turn left at the roundabout.